Yo, what is up, guys? So, like I said in my last video on my question about my dirt, hopefully somebody gives me an idea on what I can do. But I also said I was going to show you my new chicken coop. Okay. Last time I just used a dog run, and it worked great for when I only had like 10 chickens. Now I have about 40 chickens, and I actually let them out every day now. But in the meantime, when they go to roost, this behind me is what I've built. Well, I didn't build the Connex, but you know what I mean. So this fence right here is that dog run. Okay, it's a dog kennel that I used for my original chicken video where I showed you guys what I did to make a quick, easy chicken coop. Okay, that worked great for a while, but like I said, I got more chickens, I need bigger space. So that's where I have this. Okay, these are my two turkeys. Tom, hen, ain't she beautiful? Anyways, so you can see right here, there's a barrier. Okay, that's one of the dog run panels that's keeping my turkeys from my chickens. Now, the chicken coop is in the same part of the Connex, which I'm going to show you in just a second. Okay, but now, this is how it ends up looking on the outside. We ended up raising the dirt so that way it would drain properly since I'm dealing with mud. And over here, this is angled a lot more drastically because, quite frankly, I like the turkeys a lot more than I like the chickens. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So it is a little bit crooked. I do have chicken net on the top to keep out any of the eagles that fly around. We have tons of eagles flying around, hawks and stuff like that. I also have, you know, my dogs here. They're like chasing them. They haven't killed one, luckily, but this is just what I'm doing. All right, and I ended up getting this Connex for technically nothing. My wife's mother wanted to store her crap here, so half of it is used for storage, and the other half is used for a chicken and turkey coop, which I'm gonna check out. The eggs just got picked, so I know there aren't no eggs in there. But only thing I really did is I took a cutting torch and I cut that hole out, and then I put hinges on it to make a door for the chickens. Okay. Also went around here and I cut the man door out so that way my wife can fit through. I should have made it bigger. Make it bigger. Trust me. Okay. Up on the top. Oh, right there. Oh, sorry. Right there. Bear with me. That's just to help keep the rain out of this door. And right now it's kind of hard to see in there, but what I ended up doing is using it and putting some roosts in there. I put a little cage for baby chickens to go in there. But I don't know if you can see it. It's dark. I'm working on my electrical right now. But there's a wall that's splitting both the chickens and the turkeys. So far I'm not having any issues with them getting in where I don't want them to be. But it's working out. Around the outside during the summertime, they look dead, but they're not. There's a bunch of plants like mint, lemon, and parsley, and a few other things that you normally bake the chicken in, but hey, we're seasoning them from the inside. They're gonna be delicious. So, anyways, that's what I ended up doing for our new chicken coop. Just utilizing the Connex that I had. Now, I know everybody can't really go out and buy a Connex, but they're really not that expensive. This 40 footer only cost us about $2 grand. Well, cost the wife's mother $2 grand. But you can get 10-foot ones by 10 foot if you're just doing chickens, and you can do some significant awesome stuff in it. You can bolt things to the wall. Make sure to use silicone to plug them holes. You can make shells, make walls. You can make roosts. You can make nesting boxes. Everything. It's basically the same thing as if you were to build one out of wood for roughly the same price. If you're gonna build a nice one, they're expensive. And if you're gonna buy one, they're even more expensive. You're looking at about $1,500 to $2,000 for a nice sized chicken coop just to house about 30 chickens. Well, I talked the old lady's mom into buying this one for $2,000, and I'm using 20 foot of it. So technically it's $1,000 because I ended up paying her half, but it works out fantastic. I don't have to worry about leaks. It's metal. It's not gonna break. It's not gonna deteriorate. Keep it painted. You're good to go. So, but that's my new chicken coop. I hope y'all enjoyed. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Peace.